Here is how to set up a Kanban board in monday.com step by step. Start by opening the monday.com board that you want to view as a Kanban board. This should be the board where your tasks, projects, or workflow items already live. Once the board is open, look across the top area where your saved views appear. That is where you can add a new layout for the same board without changing the underlying items. To create the Kanban view, click the plus button next to your current board views. A menu will open with different view options. From that menu, select Kanban. Monday.com will then create a Kanban layout based on the data already in your board. If the view takes a moment to appear, wait for it to finish loading before moving on. After the Kanban view opens, you may be prompted to choose a grouping column. Select the status column if that prompt appears. This choice determines how the board is arranged in the Kanban layout. Each status label from that column becomes its own Kanban column, so items marked with different statuses will be separated automatically. Make sure you pick the status column that matches the workflow you want to track, since this controls how cards are distributed across the board. Once the view is in place, adjust the Kanban settings to match what you need to see on each card. You can choose which columns appear directly on the card, so the most useful details stay visible while you work. You can also apply filters if you only want to display certain items, and you can sort items to control the order in which cards appear. If needed, group your tasks in the way that best fits how you want to review the board. These settings change how the Kanban view presents your information, while the main board data stays connected in the background. With the layout set, begin managing tasks directly from the Kanban board. Each item from your main board appears as a card, and you can drag and drop those cards between columns to update their status. Moving a card from one column to another changes the value in the connected status column automatically. This keeps the Kanban view and the main board in sync without requiring separate updates. As you continue working, any changes made in the Kanban view will be reflected on the main board, and changes made on the main board will remain connected to the Kanban view as well. Your Monday.com board is now set up as a Kanban view with synced task status updates.